In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record an expense in Zoho Books using the full 2025 guide. Managing your financial transactions accurately is essential for any business, and Zoho Books makes it an effortless task. Let's dive into the process step by step. First, head over to your Zoho Books dashboard. This central hub is where you'll find a comprehensive overview of your financial activities. Once you're on the dashboard, your next action is to click on the Purchases tab. This section is designed to help you track and manage all your outgoing financial engagements, so it's an integral part of the Zoho Books experience. After selecting the Purchases tab, you should proceed to click on Expenses. This will lead you to a detailed view of all current and past expenses recorded in your system. Here you can easily manage and keep track of assorted spendings, ensuring your books are as accurate as possible. Now let's move on to recording a new expense. Click on the option labeled Record Expense. This action will open up a new window where you can input the specifics of what you're recording. Starting with the date, you'll need to select the exact day the expense was incurred. Always ensure this date reflects when the transaction actually took place, as accurate timing aids in precise financial reporting. Once the date is set, the next field to attend to is the expense account. This is where you'll categorize the nature of the expense. Selecting the correct account ensures your financial statements reflect an accurate picture of what was spent and why. Next, click on Amount to enter the exact figure of the expense. Be meticulous with this, double checking that the amount is correct before proceeding. Moving forward, you'll need to indicate how the expense was paid. Click on Paid Through to specify this detail. Whether it was via cash, credit, or digital payment, specifying the payment method provides clear insights into your cash flow. The following step involves clicking on Vendor. This is where you'll input the details of who the transaction was with. Providing this information can greatly improve the comprehensiveness of your financial records. Don't forget to click on Reference Mars to input any related documentation numbers or notes. Adding notes in the Notes section can be incredibly beneficial for future reference, providing context or explanations that might be essential down the line. Further, if the expense is associated with a particular customer, click on Customer Name to include their details. Finally, once all the information is filled out to your satisfaction, it's time to click Save. Alternatively, you can use the shortcut Alt+S to save your entry quickly and efficiently. By following these steps, you've successfully recorded an expense in Zoho Books. This process not only keeps your financial data organized, but also helps ensure your business's financial health is always top tier.